Christmas time is full of magic. A cardboard bird can fly into your window. You can drive an amazing open-top cardboard car, and you can meet a fairy in a supermarket while shopping. Watch these and other magic events in our Christmas story. The festive Christmas season is a busy time in stores as everyone's looking for gifts and Christmas decorations. The main character of the story, let's call her Emma, is among those doing Christmas shopping. Be careful, Emma! Don't buy everything on sale! Suddenly, a fairy appears in the same shop. There's nothing to be surprised at. Fairies like shopping as well as we do. Emma's coming up to the Christmas soft toys. Oh, what a lovely reindeer! It looks like someone I know. It's blonde as well, but only having antlers. I'll take it with me. And what about the fairy? She's found a toy squirrel. It's so cute. It looks exactly like my schoolmate. Emma's choosing Christmas ornaments. Wow, what marvelous balls! I can't do without them. I want my Christmas tree to be the most beautiful. There are feathers and leaves on the fairy's list. Not the usual ones, but pink and sparkly. Emma's worn out. Shopping is an exhausting pastime indeed. It's time to finish. Wow, what a lovely ball. It's enormous and sparkling. I'll certainly take it. And the fairies found green decorations with red berries. I'll take another sprig. Well, why not take the whole bucket? Emma's eager to buy everything she sees. Roses, snowflake garlands. She would buy the shop assistant if only he were on sale. She's going home at last, holding her purchases in hand. But suddenly, bang! She bumped into the fairy. Where did this bucket come from? And the feathers? What happened? As it happens in any Christmas story, the magic's going to begin. After the bump in Section A on the left of the cash desk, Emma and the fairy have transformed into one body, having magic abilities. Emma's gotten into the animated world in a twinkling of an eye. Well, my outfit's too boring for this world. That's much better. Hello, little rabbit. Transitioning into another world takes too much energy. I want to take a bath. Oops! Here's a cardboard bathtub and the most real foam. It's all around, even on my boots. Now I can phone my friends. Emma invites her friends to a party. They've got a lot to discuss together. Who's invited whom to a Christmas party? What outfits are they going to wear at a Christmas party? And what happened to their mobile phones? Her friends happily accept the invitation. Well, they're on the way. Emma's creating her room. Draw it in pencil first. This activity can replace a morning workout. You should squat and jump just like during your exercises. At least we'll keep in shape for a Christmas party. Take acrylic paint and start making wall decorations. Turn long vertical lines into curtains. Transform horizontal stripes into a windowsill. We've got a window on the wall. Hang animated shelves on the right. Make a frame. Don't let the magic go away through the open window. Put a vase on the shelf. The flowers appear in it as though by themselves. There's an unexpected guest knocking on the window. Come in, little bird. Take a piece of cardboard and a printed out picture of a bird. Place the picture on top of the cardboard with the printed image down. Dab it carefully with a cotton pad soaked in acetone-based nail polish remover. The picture's been transferred to the cardboard. It's blurred but quite visible to define it with a marker. Outline the bird.